Hello! So I am starting my Mother Nature costume, and the first thing I am going to do is try to make my headband thing, my head thing. I honestly bought a lot of different things to go on my headpiece and stuff. Like I bought these little fake butterflies. I even got like 2 different colors. So, well, there's technically 4 colors in there. And then some burlap leaves. These ones are really big, so I don't know what's all going to go in the headpiece yet. And then some mushrooms. Hi there. My kitty came in here. So, and then I also got a lot of moss. So, I feel like the moss is going to be probably the biggest help for all of this to make it look more nature-y. So I'm definitely going to have to pick up more moss when I get the chance. Oh my goodness, my cats are being crazy. Okay, I have had so much glitter on me the past few days, and here it goes again. Because I just started working at the craft store in my town, and we've been like actually building it. Like the store's built, but we had to build like the displays and stuff. I might need to cut this off. And it has been so fun, but literally so much glitter everywhere. Literally everywhere. Because they have like these little picks that are glittery. So many things that you wouldn't think have glitter. It's crazy. It goes the way I need it to go. Because I don't want to break the plastic headband itself. Okay, I got one of them off. Now I gotta get the other one off. Come on. Why can't I get this off? Oh, there we go. Got it. There we go. Now we have a great base for what we're gonna do. I need my hot glue gun. Okay, since I don't want it to look too much like fall, I decided to grab some other flowers and stuff too, because I don't want it to look too fall-like, and I feel like adding this yellow and this pink will help, especially because this is orange. I already have a glitter under my eyeball. Shoot, I'm gonna need like a wire cutter. Oh, it feels not like what I expected it to feel like. So I'm gonna cover the whole thing in moss first. No way. This is made out of feathers? That's cool. Before I love and leave you, they call me heartbreaker.